Hi Auto bridges the divide between the lightning pace of a fast food kitchen and the crawl of the drive-thru. Hi Auto is a conversational AI that better interfaces the restaurant and the patron. It greets customers, takes orders, and offers upsells and additions, all while feeding order information to the point-of-sale system.
We don't have customers waiting. They're greeted as soon as they pull up to the board. The order's taken right. And it's amazing the level of accuracy that we see with the voice recognition technology here.
Combo or just the sandwich?
Just a sandwich.
Famous or spicy?
Spicy.
Your two-piece chicken dinner with all white meat with mashed potatoes and gravy and green beans, and a large Dr. Pepper, please, with extra ice.
Sure. Would that be all for you today?
Yes, ma'am.
Your total is $14.23.
It can offer a drink, it can offer a dessert to increase their average check.
Would you like a breast in it?
Yes, I'll take a breast.
Would you like to try our fried apple pie for 99 cents today?
No, thank you.
Hi Auto seamlessly integrates with the existing headset system and can be easily modified and controlled by management.
Hi Otto, we are out of Famous for 10 minutes. Hi Otto, we have livers now.
Hi Auto offers robust benefits and incredible ROI to drive-thru models.
So you can see some improvements in your average check, you see improvements in your drive-thru service time, you see improvements in consistency and customer service. Well, I think it's every bit as accurate as a cashier.
Take your restaurant into the future with Hi Auto.